Hey guys, hope you're having a great day today. My name is Daniel, and in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you the Bissell Cleanview Rewind. That's for the cord rewind pet version, and it's got the triple action brush. This is the vacuum that if you have animals, you absolutely need. This is kind of a review after I think 6 months, probably even longer than that, maybe even over a year. Now it's been a while since I posted that one video, just kind of introducing this. Just kind of a spoiler alert, this vacuum has not lost any suction, has not had any issues at all. It is still absolutely digging into the carpet with this triple action brush to dig all of the long hair and the short hair, mostly it's the long hair from my dog Ryder. We've got two dogs, Bella and Ryder. Bella is the brindle boxer, and then Ryder is my golden retriever. I don't know why I forgot that. But basically, we had the belt break. The belt broke maybe a month or so ago. I immediately was kind of panicking because I'm like, well, the hair is going to accumulate very quickly. It gets pretty wild in our upstairs that's actually carpeted in the actual stairs area. And so I knew we had to find a solution pretty quickly. The actual vacuum is still in excellent shape. It's gone through the ringer. We have put it through the test, I'm telling you, with all the dog hair. This thing is an absolute gem. If and when this ever breaks, I hope to God they still sell it, because we are absolutely going to be buying another one. This thing does the job across the board, hands down. So getting that out of the way, I did just want to share with you the process of changing the belt. I bought a four-pack of belts. So this is the four-pack of, well, there's 3 left in here now. I've already replaced this, but I wanted to share with you the process of how to actually replace the belt. It might seem a little scary taking things apart, not knowing how things go back together. It's really not too complicated, not too scary. All you need to be able to do the job is simply a Phillips screwdriver. So if you've got one of these, you're good to go. I ordered these off of Amazon. I don't remember how much I paid for this 4-pack of belts. But I can just only assume that 4 belts, after the initial one broke, after maybe a year now, this is going to last quite a while. At least, hopefully, an additional 4 years. Every year, a new belt, if we're really that wild with dog hair. But the link will be in the description below if you need a 4-pack of extra belts. Wouldn't hurt just to order these just in case. So you're not sitting there with a vacuum that is incredible but can't really run. So I'm going to go ahead and share this with you, what to do real quick, and hopefully this can be a help to you as you're vacuuming maybe lots of dog hair like we are. So as I stated before, all you really need is a Phillips screwdriver to be able to do this. I'm going to speed up the process and use my electric drive here to be able to get these out. Turn it up a little bit there. So there's 1, 2, 3. They're all the same length, so no worries there as far as mixing things up for all of these screws. Getting that there. I dropped one, of course. All right, so I'll pick that up here in just a second. But this is the actual bottom guard, the cover, I guess, if you will. This simply just kind of comes out by itself there. Kind of just locks into place with this little front tab here. All right, so having this now uncovered, you can first of all see there's some buildup here of hair right here at the back of the belt. So this is pretty serious as far as the hair goes here. I'll put this off to the side. And then it's up here where you can see where the actual belt connects to the driving piston, I guess, so what you would call it, up here to actually turn the blades, to turn the brushes, where it connects over here. So this would simply just kind of come on out. If it's broken, you're of course not going to have a whole lot of tension over here, so it's going to come out real easily. Right now I've got a little bit of a tension on it, so it's kind of pulling at me a little bit, and I'll just kind of take this off just like that to be able to get it off there. And then you can see, I'm just going to take it off right there. So I'll go down a little further so you can see the inside there. So if you can see down in there, that's the actual rod that is spinning around and actually creating the torque, I guess, to spin the brushes, to spin the whole assembly. That is what's connecting the belt to the whole rest of the system to give it power. So basically, you're going to be putting the belt back on from the left side. I'll try to demonstrate that here in just a second. So basically, we're just going to kind of wedge the belt on from the left side. I don't know if you're going to be able to see that on camera, but it's really kind of almost having to press the belt flat against the left side and then just kind of hooking it around. So just not too much effort there. There we go. And we are on. It's on the piston or on that rod there, and it's able to spin. So we'll go ahead and then just get the brushes connected back to it and then get it put back together. I will just say at this point, when I did this about a month ago, after nearly almost a year of not really maintaining the bottom end of this, there was quite a bit of a buildup on the inner side here. There was quite a bit of buildup on this assembly on the bottom part. You can almost see right here it's starting to, or wanting to, build up again. So this would be a fantastic time to clean everything up, to get things put back together, actually cleaned up to a better degree. So almost like new. So here's the actual brushing assembly. Everything still looks just awesome. If you need to, go ahead and clean this up if you want. Just have a little bit of hair here. Not too worried about it, but basically you're going to get this assembly back on the part where it actually does the spinning action right there. It's cooperating, it's working for us. And then essentially I'm just going to, with my hands, the bottom of my hands, I'm going to pull this further down. It wouldn't be bad if you had a second person to help you do this. You'll also notice you can't put it on, let's say, the opposite way. Of course, the belt has to go on the left side here, but the left side has a different type of circular connection on the end of this. And then on the right side, it's a little different. It's definitely not a full circle. It's flat on one side and the other side, and then kind of curved on the edges. So this side essentially has to go flat down into this crease here. So you're going to want to line that up first. Get that lined up on the right side. I don't know if I'm doing a good job to be able to see it, but this is going to need to be lined up again. So I've got this lined up here. And then basically with that lined up, I'm going to pull the left side that does not have to be lined up at all because it's flat. It's because it's a circle. Get that in there. Actually, this is a little bit better. So yeah, with the left side circular put in, the right side can just kind of spin into place, and there we go. So the right side is secure. Left side is secure, and yet this can spin with the brand new belt, or my belt that I've just put on less than a month ago. If you need to, check around here, do any cleaning up. This is able to come off here. You'll be able to clean this out. If the line were to be clogged up or anything like that, this simply just goes flat and then folds down. And then we'll put the cover back on there. Again, clean anything up if you see a need for that. So 2 screws here, 3 screws here, and then 1 up here, and you're back together. So hopefully this video was a help to you. This is a very simple job, less than 5 minutes. If you already had the actual belts available with you at home. If not, it's going to be a couple days through Amazon. If this could be a benefit to you, check out the link down in the description. This vacuum has been just incredible for us, like I've already mentioned in the video, for our 2 dogs, for keeping us from absolutely being buried in dog hair and everything else. This thing just will not quit, and we're just very pleased with it overall. So if this was a help to you, just consider subscribing, hitting the like button if you got good value, and we'll catch you later, and have a great one.